Hey everyone, my name is Melinda. I'm a Sephora Beauty Director, and in today's Beauty Newbie, I'm going to show you how to apply a matte bronzer versus a shimmery bronzer. So let me show you how. Let's jump in. Alright, so I'm going to start with the matte bronzer on this side of my face. This one is from Fenty Beauty by Rihanna, and it's a Sunstalker Instant Warmth Bronzer. It is the shade Shady Biz. It's the second shade in their assortment, and I feel like it's just the perfect amount of warmth for my skin tone. What I love about a matte bronzer is it's really going to create the definition on your face, almost like you're getting a contoured look, but it's a little warmer and quicker. My trick though is to use an angled brush, something like this. This is from Sephora collection. It's brush number 93. I'm just going to dip it in a few times. Tap, 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 and then I tap, tap, tap. Same thing with blush. It applies to bronzer as well. You want to start with thin layers and work your way up. So I'm going to start at my hairline as I blend. It's going to make it look a lot more natural. And I'm just going to take little sweeping motions. And then we can add a little bit more as we go. Starting from the top again and then working my way down. I'm kind of targeting right in the concave of my cheek below the cheekbone. That's what's going to give you that bit of definition and kind of lift to your cheekbone. When you put a highlighter on, it will like pop. So I'm going to grab just a little bit more, again, thin layers, but I'm going to bring this up around my hairline to my forehead, just where the sun would basically hit. And depending on how you feel about your forehead, all foreheads are wonderful, but if you want to create the illusion of a slightly smaller forehead, this will kind of help. Shading up top kind of sets it back and it gives you the appearance of a smaller space. So I hope that you can see it. I can certainly see it in the mirror. This matte bronzer on this side has created like so much more definition, and you can see how it's lifted my cheekbone. So now I want to show you more of a natural kind of sun-kissed look, and for this I really love using Benefit Cosmetics Hoola Glow Shimmer Powder Bronzer. You've probably heard of Benefit Cosmetics Hoola. It's such an iconic bronzer. It's been around forever. This one is Hoola Glow, so it has a little bit of shimmer in it, and it's so pretty. For something like this, I like to use a fluffier brush. The application just looks a little bit more natural. It's less about the definition and more about just that sun-kissed kind of luminosity. So this brush is from Sephora collection. It is the Pro Powder number 50. So I'm going to do the same thing I did with the other brush, just tapping it in and then tapping it off. And then with this one, instead of targeting the concave kind of under your cheekbone, we're gonna target where the sun would naturally kiss your cheek, which is a little bit higher. So with this, it's really not about being too particular about where you're placing your brush. It's not about the definition. It's all about just that natural kind of sun-kissed look. So you can just kind of sweep it on and then up to the forehead. So I can really see the difference between the two. This side with the matte bronzer is just more defined. It kind of lifted my cheek because how we got into the hollow underneath. And then this side is gonna be more like I just got back from the beach, it's sun-kissed, it's natural, and I seriously love both. It just really depends on what you're going for. Okay, so there is no right or wrong way to use your bronzer, but these are a few of my tips and tricks that should absolutely up your bronzer game. I would love to know from you, what is your bronzer go-to? More of a shimmer or more of a matte? Let me know in the comments below. Be sure to like the video to show me some love and subscribe so you can see more, and I'll see you all next time. Bye.